Now at 6, sold to a former mayor who looks at it every day on his way to work. I broke the story on my radio show today that Joe Paolino was in the running to scoop up Providence Place, and sure enough, he just grabbed it for $133 million cash with partners.
Pyramid Management Group and Paolino Properties have big ideas for the mall in the middle of downtown. You might even be able to get your groceries there. NBC 10's Molly Levine is live in Providence now with the vision. Molly?
Gina Patrice, after over a year in receivership, the Providence Place Mall has officially been sold. And as we know, Joe Paolino Jr. of Paolino Properties, the former mayor of Providence following Buddy Cianci. He's born and raised in Rhode Island and, of course, has real estate right here in downtown Providence. Well, now he can add the Providence Place Mall to that list, too. He wants a safer mall and one that maybe has a supermarket, too.
Mall's not dying. Over 6.2 million people visit that mall on an annual basis.
Joe Paolino thinks a bright future is in store for the Providence Place Mall.
We need to change the story. I think part of the story now is Pyramid owning it with Paolino Properties.
A Superior Court judge approved the sale of the over 1 million square foot mall in the middle of downtown Providence to Pyramid Management Group and Paolino Properties for $133 million in cash, which wasn't the highest bid. SR Capital Management out of Houston, Texas had a bid that was $20 million more, but there were other factors that were favored in the sale.
Some of the other bids wanted like a 40-year tax treaty with the city of Providence, and they wanted other government stuff. We didn't ask for any of that.
It's not either of the company's first rodeo either. Pyramid Management Group is the largest privately held shopping mall development firm in the Northeast. They already have 6 big shopping malls, including the Destiny USA Mall in Syracuse, the largest mall in the state of New York.
Because this kind of brings the Providence Place Mall in full circle.
Pyramid Management Group first developed the Providence Place Mall in 1999, now back again and partnering with a local company.
We don't need some company in Texas or Cincinnati. This is my city. I care and I really love Providence.
With big aspirations for Providence Place.
What is your vision for the future of Providence Place?
Well, I'd love to see a supermarket there.
While Paolino says he may be over his skis a bit, he's hopeful they could have a conversation with a company like Costco about the potential.
Is it a long shot? Yes. But is it an objective and a goal of mine to see if we can achieve that? Yes.
And a safer Providence Place Mall for all.
I want people, when they walk into Providence Place Mall, think they are in the safest facility anywhere in Rhode Island.
These changes, of course, won't happen overnight, but it's a sale that Mayor Brett Smiley is excited about, too. He says he's glad an experienced operator and a local connection are at the helm of this next step. I'm live in Providence. Molly Levine, NBC 10 News.